Your company is in the market for an SD-WAN or SASE solution, and you've heard of Cato Networks, but you're still a little bit foggy on their network architecture. Well, my name's Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. But first, if you'd like to see a demo of Cato, get a quote on Cato Networks, and get my recommendations on the other competitors to Cato that your company should also be quoting and taking a look at, don't Google it, just reach out and contact me. Don't try to reach out to Cato directly. I will actually get you in touch with better people, get you better pricing on Cato. Just send me an email, give me a call. That's my job. I'm a broker for all the major SASE and SD-WAN vendors out there. And it doesn't cost your company anything to use me. So send me an email, give me a call, join the thousands of other IT professionals who have used me to help them make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. I've been doing this for over 20 years, so I kind of know what I'm doing. And I think you'll see that right away when you give me a call. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And as always, go check out our website, aerocominc.com, where you can write reviews on providers, read reviews on providers, search service providers by features like SD-WAN and SASE providers, cloud phone system providers, cloud security providers, all kinds of cool stuff. You could also watch videos on them, all kinds of great stuff. Go check that out, aerocominc.com. All right, let's talk about Cato Networks network architecture. There are 6 big aspects of their network architecture that I want to cover today that to me are the most important things to know about their network architecture. The first thing is that everything with Cato is fully cloud. Nothing is sitting on the edge. So that means security like SASE, that means SD-WAN routing, everything like that is fully in the cloud. Nothing's really sitting on-prem on the appliances that get deployed out or to your remote users. The second thing you need to know about their network architecture is that Cato has global points of presence, or POPs. So think of it like they have global data centers so that all of your locations and all of your users, no matter where they're at, they're going to connect up first to the closest global POP. And the advantage of having global POPs in the cloud is that your company can do bi-directional traffic shaping, bi-directional load balancing if you have multiple circuits, and bi-directional failover if you have multiple circuits. But at the very least, even if you have a single circuit, you can do bi-directional traffic shaping because you have 2 points controlling that last mile. You have your on-site appliance, you also have your global POP. So by having 2 points there, they're able to, in your IP address, is coming from your SD-WAN or your SASE cloud. So because that you're advertising Cato's IP address, not your IP address of your local ISP, you're able to do that bi-directional traffic shaping. So that's what's really setting their architecture apart, as opposed to service providers that are offering what I call an on-prem only SD-WAN solution, where they can only control outbound traffic shaping, not inbound traffic shaping. So if you want more information on the different types of SD-WAN service providers, check out my video of the different types of architecture, of SD-WAN architecture. A third aspect of Cato Networks network architecture is they have their own private global backbone network that is connecting all of those global POPs that I just talked about. And the advantage of that is that by having a private global backbone, your traffic is going to stay on a private global backbone for the most part, as opposed to trying to go across the public internet. So think of an example. If you have a site in Singapore or a site in Australia and then a site in the United States and a site in the United Kingdom, your traffic could either go over a private backbone that's controlled or over the public internet, which we know has no control. So which do you think is going to give you lower latency, packet loss, and jitter? It's the private backbone network, right? Absolutely. And so Cato offers things like TCP proxy across the network, other things like that to help really control that latency on their private backbone network. The fourth aspect I think you should know about is that Cato has private peering with the major cloud applications like AWS and Azure. So what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to obviously communicate with those applications faster and more securely because they're directly connected to them off of your SD-WAN SASE backbone. So those applications are connected directly into the backbone on that private network that we talked about. So you're not going to those applications over the public internet. Okay, another aspect which I've alluded to a little bit in the past is that Cato also offers security as part of their network architecture. They offer things like secure web gateway, firewall as a service, zero trust network access, and cloud access security broker, otherwise known as CASB. So they're a fully SASE and CASB security solution as part of the global network offering they're giving you. And the last aspect of Cato's network architecture is it's a zero-touch architecture from a customer standpoint. So that's zero-touch deployment, that's zero-touch updates, that's zero-touch configuration changes that are made in the cloud and pushed down to the local appliances. So everything is zero touch. So you're not having to have a highly technical person at each one of your sites. Everything is configured remotely in the cloud and then pushed down to more of like dummy devices, dummy appliances on site. Okay, so those are the major aspects of Cato Networks network architecture. If you want to know more about Cato or you want to get a full demo and quote from Cato, don't reach out to Cato directly. Actually reach out to me. That's my job. Send me an email, give me a call. I'm a broker for all the major service providers out there, including Cato Networks. And I will get you better pricing on Cato, get you introduced to the right people to work with over there. You'll have a much better experience working with Cato by calling me. And that's what I do. That's why I do these videos. So send me an email, give me a call. I'm a broker for all the major vendors out there. I've been doing this for over 25 years now. And within a few minutes, I can ask you some questions about your company's requirements, and then I can give you some recommendations. I can introduce you to the right salespeople over there to work with. I'll oversee the quoting process to make sure everything goes smoothly and you get the best pricing available. And on top of all that, I don't charge you anything for my broker services because service providers like Cato actually pay me my broker fee. So your company doesn't have to pay me anything to get my help. So there's absolutely no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this stuff. So reach out today. I'd love to talk to you and help you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future weekly videos that I put out. And go check out our website, aerocom.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.